Hi Joshua, I already looked at your milestone from week 1 and you did a good job on that. You had consistent incomes, it was well designed, you had a creative brief. It was better than most, that's for sure. Here's the other thing that you submitted that I didn't look at. Okay, these are good sketches. So they're definitely very creative and very thoughtful throughout. I like that you even have an idea for, the specific model. So these are great sketches that, your only real issue in class is not submitting work anywhere close to being on time. When you submit, when you get a disability notice, it still only gives you like 2 extra days, not like 8 days. So your work is fantastic. You just, got to get a real handle on submitting work within a time frame, right? So I hope you keep going. If you don't keep going in this class, then your next one, I'm sure, you can use this stuff and you'll be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions.